Keeping up the pace, mastering consistency in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we aim to make English learning easy and fun for you. Today, we're diving into a phrase that you might have come across but could be wondering about its exact meaning: maintaining the pace. Whether you're reading, listening, or engaging in conversation, understanding this phrase will help you not only in language learning but also in your daily activities. So, let's get started and unravel the essence of maintaining the pace together. Maintaining the pace refers to the action of keeping a consistent speed or level of progress in whatever you're doing. It's like running in a race where you try not to slow down, ensuring you keep moving forward at a steady rate. But it's not just about speed, it's about consistency and endurance. In the context of learning English, maintaining the pace means regularly dedicating time to study, practice, and immerse yourself in the language without letting your efforts dwindle. Maintaining the pace is crucial for several reasons. Firstly, it helps in achieving long-term goals. Learning a new language, such as English, is a marathon, not a sprint. By keeping a steady pace, you're more likely to make continuous progress and retain what you've learned. Secondly, it prevents burnout. Trying to do too much too quickly can lead to exhaustion and a loss of interest. A consistent pace keeps you motivated and engaged. 1. Set realistic goals. Start with achievable targets that suit your schedule and gradually increase the difficulty. 2. Create a routine. Dedicate a specific time of day for English practice to build a habit. 3. Diversify your learning. Mix different activities such as reading, listening, speaking, and writing to keep things interesting. 4. Track your progress. Keep a journal or log to visualize how far you've come and where you need to focus more. 5. Stay motivated. Find a learning buddy, join online communities, or engage in conversations to fuel your enthusiasm for learning. Maintaining the pace is about finding a balance. Not running so fast that you burn out, but not slowing down to the point of stopping. It's about steady, consistent progress in your journey to mastering the English language. We hope this video has shed some light on the importance of maintaining the pace and has provided you with practical tips to implement in your learning process. Remember, every step forward is a step towards fluency. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful English learning content. See you in the next video.